The decreasing regulations is critical, keeping taxes low, critical, and really incentivizing animal spirits is really what we're all about. So I think they're both sides want innovation. Maybe one is leaning a little bit more towards regulations coming down. That is very important.
So a lot has happened within the last few days. A ton of exciting news for Tesla and Elon Musk. Just giving you a short version, since I know you don't have much time to keep track of it yourself. So welcome to exciting Tesla news. Magic happens when you don't give up, even though you want to. The universe always falls in love with a stubborn heart. Unknown. CNBC reported that Cathie Wood's ARK Invest sees Tesla unlocking $11 trillion revenue potential with the RoboTaxi Fleet eclipsing Uber and Lyft. This would be amazing, but it might take some time. ARK Invest management said on Monday that driverless ride-hailing plans could unlock $11 trillion in the revenue potential, exceeding the total addressable market that ride-hailing companies like Uber and Lyft target today. So what happened? ARK said, in our view, Tesla could enjoy a price umbrella at its robotaxi launch thanks to the high level of current ride-hailing prices, while leveraging a lower cost per mile than the average vehicle on the road. The lower operating costs of electric vehicles compared to gas vehicles could help Tesla to undercut rival ride-hailing platforms. Last Thursday, Polestar started offering North American customers access to 17,800 Tesla Superchargers. The company said it'll include an NACS inlet in its future models, while currently owners can obtain a NACS adapter from the local Polestar service center. Additionally, Polestar said it'll update the in-car version of Google Maps so that the application will display available NACS chargers. Also on Thursday, according to Benzinga Newswire, Elon Musk agrees that Starlink could combine hardware with solar panels and batteries. Interestingly, Elon Musk on Wednesday endorsed the idea of putting Starlink hardware together with solar panels and battery. This is what's going on. Musk was responding to an ex-user who suggested that someone should package Starlink hardware with solar panels and batteries to ensure it works throughout the day in most parts of the world. I agree. I guess Starlinks could offer that directly too. Musk wrote in his response, suggesting that the company might by itself offer Starlink hardware with battery and solar panel, including to ensure it can power itself with solar energy stored in its batteries. Why does this matter? Musk did not clarify if he was looking at a partnership between Tesla and SpaceX for this purpose. Tesla already manufactures solar panels and energy storage products. In the third quarter, the company's energy storage revenue touched $2.376 billion, accounting for 9.4% of Tesla's total revenue. It's so funny to me. After reporting Tesla losing market share in California, the news media reported that Tesla remains California's top EV choice even as registrations drop. Car sales are cyclical, and all car manufacturers had a tough time selling cars, not just Tesla. The Cybertruck is amongst the 10 best-selling EVs. New battery electric vehicle registrations in California rose 1% year-on-year to 293,109 units as of the end of September, according to data from the California Car Dealer Association, or CNCDA. So this is what happened. As per data, BEVs accounted for 22.2% of new vehicle registrations in California, and a 9-month higher than the national BEV market share of 7.9%. In fact, California accounted for 32.1% as U.S. BEV registrations as of the end of September this year. Tesla new vehicle registrations in 9 months, however, fell 12.6% as compared to the corresponding period last year, 259,619 units. Tesla, however, continues to be the best-selling EV brand in the States. Best-selling EVs are the Model Y, the Model 3, and the Model X, and of course, the Cybertruck now, and are featured on the top 10 best-selling EVs in the state. Tesla said on Thursday that it'll release the actual Smart Summons features to vehicles in Europe, China, and other regions in the future. Actual Smart Summons will allow users to summon their vehicle cars to a nearby location and banishing them once they're done using it with the Tesla application in familiar and predictable areas such as a private driveway or parking lots. Yes, Tesla already started rolling out actual Smart Summons to vehicles in the US in early September. Older Model S and Model X will receive the feature in the fourth quarter. So Tesla has hiked wages 4% for Giga Berlin employees, Reuters reported. Tesla has reportedly raised wages for all its employees at the Giga Berlin. So the wage hike was gone in effect since the start of November for Tesla employees at Giga Berlin. The factory in Berlin employs nearly 12,000 workers. It is Tesla's only factory in Europe. It has an annual capacity of over 375,000 Model Ys. Last month, it was reported that the company has been granted approval for the local government ministry near its Berlin factory to proceed with the first stage of 3 stages planned expansion, despite protests from locals. According to data from the European Automobile Manufacturing Association, ACEA, Tesla has 249,337 new car registrations in the European Union, European Free Trade Association, and the United Kingdom put together from January until the end of September, marking a drop of about 9% from the corresponding period last year. Tesla said on Monday that its mega factory in Lathrop, California has built its 10,000th Megapack, marking it a significant milestone for the company in its energy storage segment. Megapack is a powerful battery manufactured by the company in addition to its home battery called Powerwall. Each Megapack unit can store over 3.9 megawatt hours of energy, or enough to power an average of 3,600 homes for an hour. And here's why this is important. In the 3 months through the end of September, Tesla's energy generation and storage revenue touched $2,376 million, making a growth of 52% as compared to the corresponding period last year. The energy business achieved a record gross margin of 30.5%, and the Powerwall product achieved record deployments. Tesla currently operates a megafactory only in Lathrop, California, capable of making 10,000 Megapacks units in a year. The company is also putting up a megafactory in Shanghai, which is expected to start shipping Megapacks in the first quarter of 2025. On Wednesday, the news reported that Tesla said it has started delivering its latest offering, the Cybertruck, to customers in Canada, making it the 3rd country the stainless steel truck has expanded to after the US and Mexico. And the Trump win is positive for Elon Musk's Tesla, than I've said on Wednesday.
Look, I think it's a strategic bet that Musk made that ultimately could pay dividends for Tesla in a huge way for the coming years. I think $40 to $50 per share it adds just for beginners, not just because of what could happen from a tax credit perspective. I think leveling playing field, you take out the Detroit automakers, and then that's really going to give them an advantage from a cost, scale, and scope perspective. But I think the big thing here, Trump could ultimately fast-track autonomous FSD. And our whole view, as we've talked about in the show, $1 trillion of valuation just on AI alone. This is going to unlock it. That's a key.
Makes a lot of sense. Is there no scenario in which relations with China take a big hit and Musk is asked to pick a side, as in a sense?
Yeah, and I think that, so on the other side, especially, it's not just for Tesla, also Apple as well. For Musk, I think there's a comfort in him being in this situation that he could almost be a pseudo sort of, ambassador,
shadow diplomacy?
Call it 10% politician, 90% CEO, in terms of making sure that the retaliatory or the carve-out, I think that's going to be important. The carve-out piece from a tariff perspective, and I think one of the reasons that you see NVIDIA up today, you see Semi, you look at Apple, despite some fears about what we're going to see on tariffs, there's a view maybe with Musk there, bark could be a little worse than the bite when it comes to tariffs, specifically on AI.
Dan Ives, Wedbush analyst, is optimistic about the impact of the Donald Trump win on Tesla stock. Here's what happened. Ives suggests that Tesla could see substantial gains under a Trump administration despite broader challenges for the electric vehicle industry. Ives projects a potential $40 to $50 boost to Tesla stock price under the Trump presidency, citing the company's established market position and manufacturing scale. Based on the current stock price, this presents a upside of nearly 16 to 20%. Meanwhile, the news of Trump's re-election has already had a significant impact to the market. Trump has expressed his intent to set up a government efficiency commission led by Musk. The commission will be asked to conduct a complete financial and performance audit of the federal government and recommending reforms. Barclays analyst Dan Levy maintains equal weight on Tesla and raises price target to $235. Piper Sandler analyst Alexander Potter maintains an overweight rating and maintains a $315 price target. BNP Paribas Exane adjusts price target on Tesla to $116 from $103 and maintains a underperform rating. Guggenheim raises price target on Tesla to $156 from $134. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. My name is Claudia, and goodbye.